Apple's 20th anniversary iPhone has just become a lot more interesting. A Jefferies analyst recently claimed that Apple had canceled the project because its ambitious all-glass design was simply too difficult to manufacture. However, Bloomberg's Mark Gurman quickly stepped in to clarify that the glass-centric iPhone is still very much on track for 2027. The confusion likely stemmed from an early, aspirational glass-only prototype that failed mass manufacturing and durability tests. Instead of scrapping the entire project, Apple reportedly reworked the engineering while keeping its futuristic all-glass vision alive. Apple's new solution appears to be highly practical without sacrificing that stunning, futuristic aesthetic. Instead of removing metal completely, the current design is rumored to use a robust metal frame positioned carefully between curved front and rear glass panels. From the outside, the device could still look remarkably close to a single, seamless piece of glass. This brings Apple closer to Jony Ive's ultimate dream for the iPhone, a device that looks and feels like one continuous, flawless sheet of glass. But the outer shell is only half the story. The bigger challenge lies in the display. Apple reportedly wants the 20th anniversary iPhone to feature extremely thin, practically invisible bezels. Traditional curved OLED technology could create major issues with durability, visual distortion, and accidental touches. To solve this, Apple may be taking a completely different and revolutionary approach. According to prominent leaker Ice Universe, Apple could utilize a perfectly flat OLED panel housed under a specially engineered quad-curved glass cover. Instead of physically bending the sensitive OLED display around the edges, the advanced cover glass itself would manipulate how light travels across the screen. This incredible optical effect could make the black borders seemingly disappear at the edges of the device. In other words, the actual display panel remains technically flat, while visually appearing completely borderless from the front. This specific distinction could end up being one of the most important engineering tricks behind Apple's anniversary iPhone. The entire concept relies heavily on light-guiding structures and optical refraction engineered directly inside the glass. As light reaches the curved edges, the optical design redirects it in a way that perfectly hides the display boundaries. Crucially, this approach could also completely solve a major problem that has frustrated users with aggressive curved displays: accidental edge touches. By keeping the OLED panel completely flat and relying on the cover glass to create the edge-to-edge visual effect, Apple could deliver a stunning borderless appearance without making the screen uncomfortable or annoying to use daily. Apple clearly isn't abandoning its all-glass vision. It is simply engineering a much smarter, more realistic way to achieve it. The 2027 anniversary iPhone could ultimately combine a metal-reinforced chassis, heavily curved glass, an optical borderless display, and a futuristic new design language, all while successfully avoiding the biggest weaknesses of fully curved screens. The only question now is whether Apple can turn this optical glass illusion into a reliable, mass-produced reality. If they succeed, the iPhone 20 Pro, or whatever Apple ultimately decides to call it, could become one of the most significant physical redesigns in smartphone history. So, will you be waiting for the revolutionary iPhone 20, or are you planning to buy the iPhone 18 Pro Max or the rumored iPhone Ultra first? Let us know your thoughts in the comments down below. With that being said, I will see you guys in the next video.